Hey y'all, we are at 317 East 45th Street. This is in the heart of Ardsley Park, Chatham Crescent. This is the premier part of Midtown. You've seen this house before. I posted it a while ago. They bought it for $650. This thing was literally falling apart and they have restored it. The main house is now 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms. It's over 4,500 square feet. This beautiful thing was originally built in 1920, and there is also a 1-bedroom carriage house. They're asking a hair under 2.6 million. Let's take a look. I think they've done a really nice job. There's a couple of things I would do differently, but I mean, they're at 98%. So you walk in, you have your beautiful staircase. So just for example, this is what they didn't stain this. I'm sure there's a reason, but they painted this brown versus staining it. I would have taken the time to stain it, but minor compared. Literally the facade was falling off, you guys. And then there was a whole situation back here. You need to go back and look through. I mean, this house was truly neglected, and it was sad to see, but it is beautiful now. So you walk in to the right, you have your formal dining room. There we go. I think they've done a great job with the moldings, the trims, everything. They've really upgraded everything. You've got nice details on the windows. This carries through to your breakfast area and a very, very beautiful kitchen. And you have a side entrance. So, excuse me, that is the carriage house. You have parking, tandem parking for up to 6, but you can park here, bring your groceries right into the kitchen. They've got everything high end. These are inset cabinets. I love the hardware. They've got the French oven. They have the nice gas range. These are all monogram appliances. I love the slabs behind here, the pot filler. I love, love, love. They've really put some money into this house. You have the microwave hidden down there. Over here you have an ice maker in your wet bar, as well as a wine fridge, pantry hidden behind here. Nothing exciting. It's where you can keep a broom and your HVAC. I love these pendant lights. I think they're really pretty. And this is stunning. The paneled, this needs to be adjusted, but a little easy, but the paneled appliances. Now this is where I love it. They have the matching pot filler for a coffee maker. So you plug it in, then you can have all of your accessories in here, mugs, all of those things, tucked away, a little desk. Excuse me. Love the bench. This goes out to your brand new outdoor kitchen. I mean, they really, this is great. And you have a nice backyard. And then you have room for bar stools on this side. They did not skimp on this renovation. Ready for a TV. All right, so in here you just have some storage, a sweet, sweet powder room. I love what they've picked out in here. Penny tile. All right, so again, if you go back to scroll through my account and you'll see the way all of this used to look, and it was wretched. Okay, formal living room. And then you have another, and this one walks out to the porch. All right, another detail while we're standing here, these are the air returns, or registers, sorry. I always get them confused. All right, let's go upstairs. I mean, this is a grand entrance. This is screaming for a round table with just all of the things on it. Nice wide staircase. They've continued the trim of the walls. All right, so you have your landing here. This is where they've done some rearranging. This is now 2 bedrooms, and they've added bathrooms and closets. So this is technically an add-on from above the existing roof that was here above that, the formal living room downstairs. So now you've got a walk-in closet, a beautiful bathroom, stunning. I mean, even down to the shelf. I mean, I just think there's been some, now I would not have put the light switches here. I would have moved them there, but that's being really picky. And then this room, you have like a little balcony access. So we'll go to the other side, and it basically mirrors that room. Beautiful. So now we're stepping into this one. So again, same walk-in closet, same setup, just different color scheme. And a balcony access. Cute laundry room, nice cabinetry, love the sink. This is a very beautiful laundry sink. And then you have the penny tile. And we have a guest bathroom. All right. Behind this door is a door. So this is actually, this bedroom can get to that bathroom. Walk-in closet. Now, I don't 100% know why they kept a door there for this bathroom to have access, because this one has its own bathroom and the other 2 have, so I guess just if people come all the way upstairs and they want to use the bathroom and not go through the bedroom. But again, that is me being picky. Storage. We're in the master bedroom, by the way. So this has taken some, they've rearranged some things over here. And I think they've done a really, really good job. Nice size bedroom. Tray ceiling. And here we go. This is beautiful. I love the floor choice. I am in love with that scalloped tile. That's gorgeous. I love the color choices in here. You have your water closet, the walk-in shower, and then this separate beautiful clawfoot tub. I love this. All right, let's go downstairs and we'll go out and take a look at the carriage house. All right, we're outside. Wanted to show you the back of the house. And so that's the driveway. Over here you have a 1-car garage, and then this is the carriage house entrance. It's 1 bedroom, 1 bath, has a full kitchen. I love that they've done the same oak floors in here, and they've used the same materials. Obviously not the same appliance level, but they're still nice. The cabinets, I think, are the same that they used in the laundry room. They've used the same countertops as other parts of the main house, same hardware. So just a better look from here. You have a little, I like that they were able to tuck in a little closet and a breakfast nook and a cute little living room. And then your bedroom is up here, got closet there. And a sweet little bathroom. I mean, this is one of the nicest little carriage house bathrooms that I've ever seen. So oak is up here as well. I think they've done a spectacular job